Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You're starting inside Capcut on your PC, open your project, and import the clip where you want emoji. First, place the playhead where the emoji should appear, then add a transparent overlay or new track for stickers. Once done, press Windows key plus dot to open the emoji panel. Alternatively, drag a PNG emoji from your files. Make sure the timeline track is selected so pasted emoji appear as a new clip that you can move and edit immediately. Now insert the emoji. Paste it from the Windows emoji picker or import a high-resolution PNG/SVG and drop it on the overlay track. You'll want to resize and position it in the preview window. Use corner handles for scale and the center grab for placement. Once positioned, add keyframes for motion, scale, rotation, or position so the emoji moves with your subject. Also, tweak opacity or blend mode to match lighting, and trim the clip to the exact duration you need. Finish by scrubbing and rendering a preview to confirm timing and look. Make sure the emoji aligns frame by frame and matches color grading. When satisfied, export using your chosen resolution and codec, noting that emojis become image pixels in the final file. If an emoji fails to appear, re-import it as a flattened PNG or rasterize the asset, clear Capcut cache and relaunch. Finally, keep source files organized so you can replace.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.